Yagni benta jonga kubor la one rajpi daga fatafat online shopping store.
President ke United Democratic Party bat ubadeiru ulampang ke yang dorbar thawan ke jela meglea ubat met bat lingdo ulakran syai bak sarkar MDA kanyai ne be halu kabakut jong katem bat kanum don ke jingkala eiru.
I think the question of offering me does not arise because as of now from UDP we are only 7 and associate numbers is 9. If you go by the numbers, I think it doesn't reach anywhere. But however, that doesn't mean that we are, changing nothing because of the numbers. My point here is this: that we have to see also as responsible leaders that toppling governments, one after another, this will badly affect the, performance of the government in terms of deliveries to the people of the state. So we would like to see, and everybody also, even the people at large, would like to see that there has to be a stable government. We are at MDA, and MDA is basically a coalition government with many regional parties and national parties as well. But at the end of the day, it's not because of the numbers of allies that you have with you. I consider it that it is because of the people who are there in that allies, who understands about the responsibility that they have for the interest of the state. So that is what I feel from my side. So from the party point of view and from the alliance also, I am confident that we will complete this entire 5 years term, so that the state can see some changes in spite of all these pandemic issues and so on, which we are facing. But nevertheless, I think they're doing great job.